Welcome to qnawire.
All right, if you have access to the answer, which you do, but don't know how, here's how this works. The law of sines says that the sine of any angle, I'm just going to call it A, over its opposite side, which I'm going to use lowercase a, is equal to the sine of some other angle over its opposite side. So we can say something like an angle opposite side. We can say the sine of x over its opposite side, which is 13, is equal to the sine of 32 degrees over its opposite side, 17. This is how we would use the law of sines. Now solve for x. Cross multiply the 13. So we get sine x equals 13 times the sine of 32 over 17. And now to solve for x, you must take the inverse sine of each side of the equation, which just gets rid of it on the left, and we have x equals the inverse sine of 13 sine 32 over 17. And now this needs to be calculated, and your calculator should be in degree mode. So make sure of that. And then you can find the inverse sine. If you're using a handheld calculator, you'd usually have to hit the second button and then the sine button, so that it is inverse sine of 13 sine 32 over 17. If you're doing this on a handheld, I'd recommend typing 13 sine 32, enter, divide 17, enter, inverse sine of that number, or use the answer button, which is usually the second negative. And we get about 23.91, which is checking out with what you knew the answer to already be. So hopefully that helped. Good luck.